Alright, alright. Zagadat. It's your boy Eazi.
Musmah.
Zagadat. Alright.
David Angel on the beat.
You know, say getting money, say must. It's a must, too. Everybody know, say me, I know the door. I know the door, no. You know, say getting money, say must. It's a must, too. And everybody know, say me, I know the door.
You can buy online, right? Y'all cool with that? Y'all cool with that? Alright.
I know the door. I must wear designer. I must buy Ferrari. I must wear designer. I must do shop for my money. I must wear designer. I must drive Ferrari. I must do buy Bugatti. I must do shop for my mommy. Oh. You don't take any money, it's a must. It's a must. Oh. Everybody don't say me, I know the door. I know the door, no. You don't take any money, it's a must. It's a must, oh. And everybody don't say me, I know the door. I know the door. I must wear designer. I must drive Ferrari. I must do buy Bugatti. I must do ball for my mommy. I must wear designer. I must drive Ferrari. I must do buy Bugatti.
Those are so like, oh my god, like you should be if you had like an outfit like a one for Caravana. Oh yeah.
I will do that. I feel like an avatar. Like an earthbender. I'm an earthbender. What?
Bugatti. I must do ball for my mommy, yo.
Yeah. I'ma need $1 million in the bank and a lady in my car. To God be the glory. I wanna do a 195 in that S5 for E, but that's another story. And maybe I can test drive the Rari. Maybe I can test drive your body. My hands on the wheel and your.
Oh, you was recording? Isn't it?
Hey.
Okay, let's see. Oh shit! Are you okay? Okay. I swear to you guys, she got it the first time. In the middle.
That was so bad.
Hands on your waist, got my eyes on the road and your eyes on the money. It's nothing.
You don't take any money, it's a must. It's a must.
Right there, perfect.
Everybody don't say me, I know
That long. Scared as hell.
you don't take any money, it's a
I wanna. Well, that's crazy though.
everybody don't
You think he's good?
When Keke Palma reaches your picture, get on her level. Look at her. Wait, let me focus. Yes, honey. Right. Look at that. Look. That is so lit. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Congratulations.
You're off janitorial and you're with me. Every day. When I'm working, you're working.
Is this because I want a job?
Sure. Take report, write things down. Busy?
Who's there? Okay, I'm done. Welcome to my crib.
My face was so funny, yo. Oh, yo, yeah. Like, I'm like, yo. I even thought he was the hottest person alive. Like, better than Beyonce out here, yeah. Just like, I'm so glad we have MySpace. I would look back at that show. MySpace is so funny. I don't even know what mine is. Right. I don't even know what name I gave myself. Cause we had some weird ass. I used to put blue filters on my page. And 07. Dude, I didn't have a MySpace. I remember as soon as Facebook came out, yeah, I saw that. He was going on and on. Yo, as soon as Facebook came out, though, I had been like just like that. Yeah, me too. I had like 3 I lied and said I was like 24 or whatever. Yo. All right, let's go. Let's all walk towards the door because the camera recording. Yeah. Oh, I just pulled out a wedgie. I was just going like this. Oh, they got a wedgie. Camera's working.
Your ways got my eyes on the road and your eyes on the money. It's nothing.
You don't take a team money, it's a must. It's a must. Everybody don't say me, I know the door. I know the door. You don't take a team money, it's a must. It's a must. Everybody don't say me, I know the door. I know the door.
Yeah. 2020 vision. If you look into my eyes, you see a man on a mission. Right. My kind of situation is just me, you, alcohol, and couple bad decisions. They say money is the topic, so it's funny how my people